pharma space continues to be an interesting one, and time and again we have seen acquisitions coming in the pharma pack. But this time around, it's Laurus Lab. Don't forget, Laurus Lab now has a great market cap. It's a stock which has done almost 6 times from the low. However, one would say that from the Q2 numbers, the stock has seen a 20% correction as well. What they have done is they have bought 72% stake in a biotech biogen company. This is a new investment that they have made for around 255 odd crores. Now, when we talk why this is important, so this is a great company that we're talking about. It's into the biosimilar biogen space. They have bought out close to 70%, which means the earlier promoter continue to be a promoter. They will run the company. This, of course, now becomes a subsidiary of their company, and the earlier promoters who have built this company would actually go ahead and run this particular company. Then, when we talk about what this business is, it caters to a lot of vaccine makers. It caters to a lot of fermentation. They have a plant in Halol. It's a fermentation plant that we are talking about. Overall, solid set of numbers, but it's an unlisted space. Now, when we consider the size of the acquisition, it's about 250 crores in an all size detail or in an all cash detail that we are talking about for this stake. Earlier, there were some concerns regarding cash of Laurus Lab. Where is the cash, the 350 crore cash that they have? So all this puts to rest for that front as well, because they'll be paying 255 crores as cash for this particular stake or buying into this particular stake. Then when we go ahead and talk about the company, the opportunity that it gives. So Laurus Lab is not there into biosimilars, biogen, but now they would essentially get into this with this particular foray. Now the management is going to talk to us post the con call, or probably we are trying to connect with them on this acquisition. But what we get a sense is that they would probably make further investments into this company or not. That would be the key that the markets would be eyeing out for. Overall, it's an entry into the biosimilar space, which is done by Laurus. Most of the companies have gone ahead. Some have gone organically decided to invest into this space, and some like Laurus have taken this acquisition. But the outlook for this business, what is the way ahead, is something that the street would watch out for. A good acquisition puts rest to the cash question that they have, and also gives an entry into a high growth, high margin, value add biotech business.